know I have a problem. I know I'm super inconsistent when it comes to getting videos out. And so hopefully this video is the start of actually making sense, getting consistent videos out, and being able to do it in a scalable way where I can at least get a video out a week. What you are looking at here is a 2020 Ford Raptor Super Cab. I mean, that is the perfect wheelbase in my opinion. The reason why you probably don't see a lot of these in a Raptor is because they became a special order truck. So as soon as the Super Crew, which means the full 4-door crew cabs, came out, everybody wanted that truck. No one wanted one of these trucks because these trucks were starting at 60 grand. And people that are paying 60 plus grand for a truck, they want all the truck they can get for their money. I did, you know, a different wheel and tire package. So that's a KMC wheel right there that isn't out yet. Can't really give you much information on that, but KO2 37 1250s. And then take you up front here. I just did Baja Designs Fog Pocket Kit. So that's the Pro kit. I just did a 10-inch Onyx hybrid bar. And then I swapped out the wide cornering S2 Sport for one of the new SAE S2s. So it's a really nice light, has a really good cutoff, so you can actually use it as a driving light in the road and it's not gonna smoke people's eyes. As far as trim, I know a lot of people like to know all the details. So this truck is an 801A. So Super Cabs did not come with sunroofs. That was not a spec option. So no sunroof. But the thing about this one was it was kind of like the perfect model. I wanted the cheapest Raptor. I didn't care about all the 360 cameras and all that stuff, all the like park assist, all the annoying stuff. This only has a few of the annoying things. So one, it just has a tailgate camera, and then two, it just has so no 360 camera, and then it just has leather heated seats, not leather heated and cooled. So it does not have the heated steering wheel, and it does not have the cooled seats. So same bed length as the Super Crew, so the normal 4-door you guys are used to, 5.5 foot bed. It does have the applique, so they did have an even more base model than this, which was basically cloth heated seats, no tailgate applique, which is pretty iconic to a Gen 2 Raptor in my opinion. A lot of people want that. But other than that, it would just be cloth seats instead of leather. There's a new truck, guys. Honestly, this truck is one of those bucket list trucks that I didn't ever think I would be able to find in such good condition, such a cream puff, but also like I just never thought I'd have one of these trucks to begin with. All my truck projects have pushed me in a direction to learn a new skill, like welding or whatever it may be. Even just like shooting photography or videography, all those things are new things that these projects open new challenges or present new challenges, open new doors, all those things. So I don't mean to get all like corny and mushy about it, but I do appreciate you guys sticking around, supporting me. You guys are the reason why these doors open, opportunities arise, and I have the opportunity to have things that I never thought I'd be able to have, or have the support from companies that kind of believe in me as a person and believe in what I'm doing, and just see that I have a good community of people behind me. But I just wanted to kind of keep the ball rolling and try to get something out there, because tomorrow this thing's gonna start taking form. Thanks again, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry that it's been kind of like this, but let's see if we can change that. And until then, I'll catch you on the next one.